Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use Facebook ads to actually promote your Spotify to actually get a lot of streams. So this video is going to be a step-by-step breakdown on how I was able to actually get over 8,000 streams using Facebook ads. So basically this video is going to be a step-by-step video on how I was able to achieve this amount of results that you guys are actually seeing right here on your screens. So without wasting much of your time right now, let's actually drop into the video. So basically the first thing you need to do right now is you need to actually make sure your music has been distributed on all streaming platforms. And basically the platform I actually use to distribute my song is actually called Nation Digital Distribution. So basically what you need to do is to actually just head over to Google. So if you head over to Google right here, you can actually search Nation Digital Distribution and it's going to take you straight to the official website. You can see right here that this is the official website, and basically I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description, so you could actually do well to go check them out. So basically what you need to do right here is actually just sign up, create an account, then you could actually distribute your music through the platform. And I'll say their pricing plan is actually very affordable, and also they're also fast in getting your music distributed on all streaming platforms. So basically once your music has been distributed and is available worldwide, so the next thing you need to do right here is to actually open your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store right here to actually go download the Facebook Ads Manager. So what you need to do right here is actually just head over to your Apple Store or whatever device you're using. So basically I'm actually using an iPhone, so I'm going to be searching for Facebook Ads Manager. So you just search for Facebook Ads Manager. So once you search for Facebook Ads Manager, you can see right here that this is how the app actually looks like. You can see right here that the app is already installed on my phone. So basically what you need to do is to actually just click on open. And also one thing you should also take note that you need to actually have a Facebook account. So if you know you do not have a Facebook account, you need to create an account, and also you need to create a Facebook page for this to be able to work. So basically once you're done creating your Facebook page and all of that, you need to actually link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So basically I won't be walking you through that, so you could actually just do that by yourself. So once you already download the ads manager on your phone, so basically I'm actually walking you through how to do this with your phone. So what you need to do is to just click on where it says create right here. So once you click on create right here, what we are going to be selecting right here is we are going to be creating an engagement campaign. So basically what you need to do is just click on engagement. So once you click on engagement, what you're gonna do is you need to actually click on where it says manual engagement campaign. So basically don't choose the automatic engagement campaign, just go with the manual engagement campaign. So you just click on it. So once you click on it right here, they're gonna ask you to actually name your campaign. So basically if you just actually give your campaign a name, so I'm going to be naming this campaign with my artist name. So let me just type in a vibe right here. So once you're done with that right here, you could actually just leave it blank as it is. So this your budget right here. You need to actually set a budget. So what I actually advise you do is, if you're actually watching this video from Nigeria, you should actually set nothing less than 5,000 naira per day. But if you're actually watching this in other countries like US, you should actually set your budget nothing less than $10 per day. So basically I'm going to be setting $5 per day, which is the budget I'm going to be spending per day literally. So once you're done with that, just click on next. So once you actually click on next right here, you need to actually name your ad set. So you could actually give your ad set a name. So just type in a verb right here. So once you actually type in AY vibe right here, just click on this where it says conversion destination. So this is where you're going to be putting your placement basically. So if you know you want to actually run the ads on Messenger, or you want to run the ads on Instagram, so basically you need to actually select your Facebook page. So right here I'm going to be selecting my Facebook page right here. So I'm going to be using this page right here. So what I'm going to be doing right here, I'm going to be clicking on the website because I'm actually running this campaign to my website. So just select that right here. So once you're done selecting that right here, you could actually just toggle this off. Then you need to actually just select your Instagram. So basically I'm actually running this campaign to my Instagram account only. So once you're done with that right here, what you need to do is just click on back. So what we are going to be doing right here is you need to actually schedule the date you want your campaign to launch. So basically let's just leave it as it is right here. So just click on back right here. So this is your audience. Yeah, so this is where you are gonna be strategic about what you are doing. So basically you need to be strategic about what you're doing. You need to actually know the kind of audience you actually do. So basically if you know you're an artist that actually do maybe like an Afro beat or a gospel song right here, you need to actually target this right here. So basically your age range literally should be from 18 to 45. So because that is the age range I always target. So your age range should actually be from 18 to 45. So what you need to do is actually just click on where it says change audience right here. So you need to actually click on where it says create new audience. So what you need to do right here is we are going to be creating a new audience for this campaign. So basically let's first start with our location right here. So I'm going to be adding in the tier 3 country. So basically the tier 3 country are actually very cheaper to actually run your ads on, because we are targeting some tier 1 country like the UK, the US. They are kind of very expensive to actually run ads on there. So what I'm going to advise you should actually target the tier 3 country. Like we have some country like Brazil, Mexico. It depends on what kind of the country you want to target though. But for me, literally, since I'm a Nigerian artist, so I basically always target African country, because the reason I actually target African country, because I want my music to be known in my country first before actually targeting other countries. So a lot of mistake that a lot of upcoming artists do is due to, because they want to make a lot of money from streams and all of that, they kind of target the tier 1 country like US, UK, Canada and all of that, so that in order for them to actually get money. So what I'm going to tell you guys, yeah, you guys are actually doing this wrong way, because if you're actually into this industry, into this business to actually make money, because everybody actually has their goal and motive of actually doing this. But if you are someone actually passionate about this music thing, I'm going to advise you actually stay in your route, because there's no point in actually going out of your route, because a lot of us right here love to target tier 1 countries, and I actually understand you guys want your music to be known in the first world country like UK, US. It's actually a good thing, but I'm gonna always advise you guys, especially the Africans musician, always make sure you actually get your music known first in your country, because your country is your root. Once you actually create an awareness about your music in your country, that is when you're actually progressing. Because even the big guys in the industry like Davido, Wizkid, Bonabo, the first thing they actually did was to let people know them in their country, which is Africa, before going out of their comfort zone. So that's what I'm gonna actually tell you guys now. Like I said, we're gonna be targeting the tier 3 countries. We're gonna be targeting country like Africa, which I'm gonna be targeting. So basically I'm going to be targeting some country like Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in South Africa right here. So let's just type for South Africa. And guys, if you know you are finding the video helpful so far to this point, please do well to actually like the video, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because on my channel right here I actually walk you through a lot of tips right here that you could actually use as an artist right here to grow your musical career. So like I said, minimum age range is gonna be from 18 to 45. So our language, let's just set our language is gonna be English. So let's just set English. Okay, let me set, just type for English right here. So let's use US. Okay, let's use US English. Just click on save right here. So what we are gonna do right here is we are also gonna be targeting country like Ghana. So let's just target Ghana. Let me search for Ghana right here. Helps that comes out. Okay, click on save. So let's search for okay, let me search. Okay, let's just kind of include some third world country, because there are some countries like Italy. Yeah, I think Italy is also among the third world country. If I'm actually wrong, you guys could actually correct me. So let's just target some country, like let's target Italy, because literally I'll say this country are actually more kind of very like affordable to actually run ads on, compared to countries like USA and all the rest. So let's just target Italy right here. So basically we're actually going to be sticking with this country right here for the purpose of this video. But if you actually want a list of the tier 3 country right here, what I'm going to advise you to do is actually just head over to your Chrome browser or your Safari right here. Then you could actually just type in, just head over to chat gpt right here. So if you actually head over to chat gpt right here, so you could actually just tell chat gpt to actually give you a list of tier 3 countries. So okay, let's just actually do that. So let me ask chat gpt to actually give me a list of tier 3 countries. So you can see right here, we just actually prompt that in. Okay, so you can see right here that these are the tier 3 countries right here. We have North Korea, Iran, you know, and all of that right here. Basically you could just, okay, let's just ask him to actually list more countries for us. Yeah, so you can see right here that these are the list of the tier 3 countries right here. You can see right here. So what we're gonna do right here is we are actually just gonna copy this list right here, then head over to our Facebook ads manager. Then we can actually just be inputting the country one after the other. So right here, let me input Algeria right here. So basically you could actually just, you know, go through this right here. So once you're done selecting the country right here, like I said, your age range must be from 18 and above. So it must be from 18 to 45. So your audience right here, let's just actually select 45. So our gender is going to be all right here. So this is our detail targeting. This is where we are going to be actually putting in some work. So our detail targeting right here, you need to actually target some genres in your niche. So what we're going to be doing right now is we actually going to be targeting the genre we're actually into. So for me right here, I'm actually into Afro beats and gospel because I'm an Afro gospel artist. So I'm going to select Afro beats. So if you're actually into pop music, if you're actually into classic music and other genres right here, the first thing you need to do is to actually just target your genre first right. If also into gospel too, you could actually just target your genre. And by the way guys, if you know you're finding any value from the video, please do what to actually give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So what we are going to be doing right here is, okay, let's just first target Afrobeat right here. Then I'm going to be targeting gospel. So another thing you could also do right here is you could also target some artists in your specific niche. So basically if you're actually into Afrobeat, the artists you actually need to target are artists like Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy, you know, all of the big gospel, sorry, all of the big Afrobeat artists. You could actually include them right here in your music. So for me right here, since I'm actually into gospel music, so I'm going to be targeting artists like Moses Bliss right here. Search for Mercy Chinwo and others right here. So basically you could actually do this for any genre. Basically just find any of the big artists in your genre, then you could just target them. So basically guys, once you're done actually targeting your audience and you're done inputting all the necessary information, so what you need to do is actually just click on next right here. So basically we are going to be editing our placement right here. So you could actually just go with manual placement right here. So basically these are where you want your feed to actually show up. So basically what I always advise is you actually go with Facebook feeds, Instagram reels, you know, Instagram reels and all of that. So like I said, so all of this is actually select. So you could actually just toggle this audience network banner or native ad. So basically I haven't actually tried that out though. So because the one I actually use more is the Facebook field and also the Instagram field, you know, the Instagram stories and reels. So you could actually just toggle this off basically right here. And by the way guys, if you know you are getting any value from the video and you haven't subscribed, like what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and also if you know you want to ask me any questions feel free to actually drop them in the comment section. So basically the platform you're going to be targeting is just going to be Facebook and Instagram only. So once you're done with that right here, just click on next right now. So you need to make sure your ad creative is ready. So what I'm going to advise you guys do is you need to actually make sure you're actually using a video, because a video kind of converts than you just using the artwork of the music basically. And also you need to actually make sure that your pixel is actually set. So basically maybe in my next video I'm going to be walking you through how you could actually set your pixel, because literally you can actually set your pixel using the Facebook ads manager on your phone, but you can actually do that on your maybe your system basically. So I already set my pixel on my system, so I don't have nothing to worry about. What we're going to be doing right here is we're going to be picking our ad format. So like I said, I always advise you actually go with video basically. So once you're done with that right here, once you're done selecting the video you want to use, then the next thing you need to do is to just click on next. Then you could actually just submit your ad for review. So Facebook is actually going to review your ad. So once they're done reviewing your ad right here and it's approved, your ad is gonna start running. Yeah, so one thing I forgot to tell you guys that you need to actually put in your landing page right here on the website. So you need to actually run your ads directly to your landing page, so you can actually get more people to actually check out other streaming platforms. It was helpful to you. So if you know it daily, please don't forget to actually give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So if you know you want to learn more ways you could actually use to promote your music, I'm also going to advise you actually check out the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.